welcome to my channel where I'll be showing my videos from my riding. My bike is a 03 Yamaha 6. It's pretty much really beat up, but it's my first bike, so I don't give a fuck. You know, yeah, I live in the UK in a town called Leamington, and yeah, just enjoy my riding. This is not really my first video. It's a video where I actually do, well, we can hear my voice over it. That's because I had a microphone, but I had to figure out a way to put it in my helmet so that you don't hear too much wind. I don't know how you can hear me now, but soon find out. And yeah, leave me a like, subscribe, and comment. Tell me what you ride. And yeah, I'm 25 and I've been riding since last year because I decided to do my full motorcycle license as soon as I turned 24. And this is my very first bike, which some people say don't get 600, don't get a litre bike. I think it's whatever you're comfortable with. When I first got on this bike, the only thing I was riding before was a fucking moped and a like a small cross bike, which is like nothing comparable to this. But yeah, when I went to pick up the bike, I came back on it myself, and I literally told the guy, I've never been on a big bike, and he said, whatever you do, just don't go over 6k RPM. And I was like, okay. But then literally after a week I was like pushing it, and then now I just do whatever. Don't really hold back with the RPMs anymore. But it is true what the people say. Like when I was listening to the other YouTubers saying that R6 got no power under 6k. Well, it's not really true. Still got plenty of power, but if you open the throttle and you literally watch the arrow, when it gets to 8k, you can feel like you didn't add any throttle, but it's just speeding up even faster. Don't know if you're going to be able to see here. It's quite a short road. Here we go. People looking crazy when I go past like that. So basically I bought the bike the way it is. The only thing I added is a gear counter, but that fucking broke after the winter. And yeah, it came with some low-end exhaust, better than a stock though. And it came with no cats, so it's pretty loud. Oh, the pipe is loose as well, so it kind of makes a rattling noise, but you can't hear it here. Yeah, it's going to be a boring ride, but I've pre-recorded some of my riding earlier. Although I didn't go as fast as I could probably because my visor was fucking minging. Couldn't see shit. And also the road is not, I'm not going to say I don't know that road, but I don't really usually ride fast on that road. But yeah, tell me in the comments, leave me in the comments what other videos you would like to do, just riding, or you want to visit places with me, or I don't know, let me know. So Yeah, I wonder what my voice sounds like over the microphone, because it sounds weird. I don't know if you ever wore a helmet. It sounds weird because it doesn't echo, or I mean it does echo, but only around your face. So it's like you can hear your actual voice, what other people hear. Like, we go a little bit outside the town, so we can go a little bit faster. Well, not too fast. I mean, I'll have to close my visor to see what the difference is. I reckon you can hear me better now. One of like things I had when I started riding, when I overtake a car, I take way too long to pull back in. I mean, it just, when I'm on like full throttle, the bike doesn't turn the way it's supposed to. I played my the video I've told you about earlier when I went for a ride outside of town. A little bit less boring than this. I don't know, if the sound is way too windy on it, I'll play some music over it. If not, I'll just leave it for you, because I personally like when you can hear the bike when someone's riding it, but when there's too much wind, you just like no point to bother. Please like and subscribe, and comment down below. Tell me if you live somewhere nearby we can ride together. Oh, fuck's sake. And yeah.